Hey guys, welcome back to my folder in YouTube. Yeah, it's been so long since I've uploaded my last video. So guys, without any further ado, let's get into this video now. So in this video, I'm going to break down my positions, order book, trading opportunities, and what do we have? Yeah, the main thing, capital requirement. The capital which I've used to trade today. Oh my goodness, though they're same. Alright, never mind. Also the contract note too, and at the last we will even calculate today's percentage too. So yep, let me show you this. Today all the positions I've taken were PE only, put side only. I took total 5 positions, and if you can see here, it is it's not coming. Alright, so this is 25,250 PE, and this is 25,300 PE, and this is 25,350 PE. This is 25,400 put option, and this is 25,450 put option. So altogether we took 5 options today. 5 positions today. Alright, and everything is in plus today. If you can see here, 25,250 put gave me 2,500 profit, and 25,300 put gave me 1,800, and then 25,350 put gave me 1,000, and then 25,400 put gave me 2,100, and finally 25,450 gave me 4,100. Altogether put 11,600. Alright, why did I take all the puts today? Because according to my analysis, according to my daily bias, I was completely negative of the Indian market today. I'll show you. Let's open now Nifty 50 chart here. Guys, if you can see here, it's October 3rd today. Alright, this is 1 minute. Let's go to 1 month. Let's go to monthly chart. Yep. Alright, this was all-time high of Nifty 50, right? So the monthly chart, day before yesterday, the month had started, October month, so it was somewhere around here at this level. Alright, let me alright, at this level it was somewhere here, I guess. Yeah, it was somewhere here. So after that, if you can see this candle, this green candle, last month candle, it had formed in such a way that it first went down, then went up, and then closed here, right? So this candle, today's candle, this month's candle, on October 1st, let's talk about October 1st, it was somewhere here, okay? So it was an inside candle. If you can see here, this was previous month's candle. Alright, this was previous month candle, and this is the high of the previous month candle, and this is the low of the previous month candle. So on October 1st, when I looked at this candle, it was a little black candle, the red candle. So it was an inside candle, and this had closed after facing pressure from the top. So I was negative about the market, and let's go and look into the weekly time frame. Yeah, even the weekly time frame was the same thing, right? Whatever you see in the higher time frame, the same you'll get to see in the lower time frame too. So this big candle had formed today. Even the weekly candle was somewhere here on October 1st, and October 2nd it's holiday. So yep, let's go to the daily time frame. And yeah, here if you can see here, this was all-time high, right? So there was a good trend all the way here, upward trend, and then here after this candle and after formation of this candle, the trend got reversed for Nifty 50. And also this candle on October 1st was a candle which was kinda indecision, right? So this was not indicating a strong up move. If this candle might have closed completely, or if this candle might have been a little longer, then we might have thought about going up upward, but the thing is, this candle is a doji candle, but inverse doji candle, right? So yeah, this candle was so clear that it's telling that market was in decision. I mean, the decision was pending in the market. So after this, I was completely negative because of these two candles, and this indecision candle had increased my probability of going downward. And the thing is, today when the pre-market levels came out, it was a gap down of almost 300 points. So I was completely negative today, and I was just concentrating on puts rather than calls. So yeah, let's get into the positions now. Yeah, these are the positions, completed everything, all the blue bars. Okay, let's get into the order book first. Yeah, total executed orders are 26. I don't say it's 26, it's almost 20 trades only. All the 6 are, some are cancelled here, and you can see here 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 was rejected. All this together 6 orders were rejected. So total 20 orders, guys. Let's decode everything. Here, if you can see here, I told you, I've already mentioned that I am working on my skill, that is scalping. Okay. So here, if you can see, I've entered into a trade at 9:23 a.m. It's 25,400 put. I bought 900 quantity at 28 rupees, and exactly at 9:24 I've sold the same quantity at 30 rupees. It's almost 2 points we have captured. And then again, I have captured. Alright, and then again I've entered into the trade again at 10:06 a.m. sorry, shit, yeah, 10:06 a.m. and 10:06 a.m. at 23 rupees, and I've exited the same trade at 10:06 a.m. itself. Less than a minute I've exited, taking away 2 points. I've sold at 25, and then this is rejected, cancelled. Yeah, and again I've entered into a trade at 10:17, almost 10:18 a.m. At 42.41 rupees, and then I've exited the trade at 10:18 a.m. at 45 rupees, which is again 2 or 1.5 rupee. And then again I've entered the trade at 11:22. I've entered, and then I've exited trade at 11:26. I've entered at 33.20, but I've exited at 33.02. I've lost a point here. Yeah, I've lost a point here. That's alright. And the next at 10:37 a.m. I've again entered at 35 rupees, and then again at 11:42 a.m. I've sold that at 37, again 2 points. And then I've again entered the trade at 12:20 p.m. at 36, and then I've closed that trade at 12:26 p.m. at 33 rupees. And then yeah, I've entered the trade again at 12:30 p.m. At 32, and then I've exited the trade at 12:31. Yeah, within a 1 at 34 rupees. Within a minute I've closed the trade again. I've captured 2 points here. And then again, yeah, again at 1:12 p.m. I've entered trade at 25 rupees, and then 1:13 p.m. I've exited at 27. It's again 3 points. 2 points. And then again at 1:25 p.m. I've entered the trade at 20, and then at 1:26 p.m. I've exited the trade at 22, capturing another 2 points here. And my final trade was at 1:48 p.m. where I've exited at 29 level, and then I've exited my final trade at 1:52 p.m. That were around 32 rupees, capturing some 3 points over here. So these are my 20 trades that I've taken today. It's all scalping, guys. All the quantity I was doing with 900 quantity only. Okay, and yeah, let's explore my trading opportunities today. Yeah, all the time and stuff. Okay, the first trade 923, right? 923 I've bought, 924 I've sold. So here 923 I've bought and I've sold. I went for put option, and then again at 10.6 I've entered and exited at 10.6 itself. So this is the candle that I've captured here, and then again this here at 10.17 I've entered and 10.18 I've exited. This is another thing I've captured. In this trade, actually I've just marked it for my thing. Okay, this trade here I've entered at 10:22 a.m. and then I've exited at 10:25 a.m. Here I lost 1 point, so that's the reason I've marked it with orange color. Yeah, this is my negative trade. And then next trade I took at this, where, yeah, 11:37 a.m. at this candle, and then I've sold at this candle 11:42. So we captured good points there too. And also this is another losing trade for me. Here, if you can see, at 12:20 I entered into a trade and I've exited that trade at 12:26, losing another 1 or 2 points here too. So this is my negative trade. And here I've again entered at 12:30 p.m. and then I've exited at 12:31 p.m. itself, and we've captured another 2 points here too. And yeah, here at 1:13 I've entered into a trade, and 1:12 I've entered, and at 1:13 I've exited. And then another scalp comes here, that is 1:25 I've entered, 1:26 I've exited. Yep. And yeah, I guess this is final trade. Yes, this is my final trade of the day. That is, I've entered at 1:45 p.m. and then I've exited the trade at 1:52 p.m. So these are my trading opportunities here. Okay, let me explain you why I've lost points here, guys. This is because this is alright. I took here expecting down no, but it went all the way. I was even expecting, let me take this out. Here I was expecting a rejection from 9 EMA, but I didn't get the rejection. I didn't get a proper rejection according to my trade. Of course, it's, if you can see here, it looks like it gave rejection, but I didn't get to capture my points. I've entered at a higher price, so I had to exit losing 2 or 1 point at that time. The thing is, this is out of the money, guys. All the strike prices which I've traded today were like out of the money. So the thing is, when you're trading out of the money strike prices, you even have to keep an eye on the strike price price chart. Yeah, or else you'll get dumped away. So if it is ITM and ATM, that's alright, but when it comes to OTM, you have to look at price charts. That's mandatory. Alright. We've explored all my trading opportunities that I've captured too, right? So let's talk about the contract note. Yes, the very interesting thing. Yeah, it just costed me all the charges. Brokerage is 400 rupees, STT 286, stamp duty 10 rupees, exchange turnover charge is 200, and then a SEBI turnover 0.56, GST 108. Altogether put, it's 1004 rupees for 20 trades that I've taken today with 900 quantity. Okay, alright, it's just 1000 rupees. Alright, like taking away 1000 from this 11.5k is not such a big thing. So no matter with the orders, if I would have captured more points in one single or 2-3 trades, then the charges might have reduced, right? So no worries about it. I'm even working on that too. This whole trade, all these trades today, the whole point of trading today is to check on my psychological state. Yes, and then what are we left with? Now we'll calculate the capital that I've traded, like what's the capital that I've used to make 11.6k profit a day. If you check in the orders, what's the highest price that I've entered? 42.41. remember, 42, more than 42 here. This is 45 is sold, right? So we don't have more than 42 anywhere here. Alright, the highest price is 42.41 we've entered. I've already calculated it. I'll just show you. So here so yeah, it's 42 point, the max price, the highest price that I have entered is 42 rupees. So multiplying 900 quantity with 42 rupees gives me 38,169 rupees. So this is the whole capital which I have used to trade today. And then, okay, next let's substitute. I mean, we have contract note here, right? So let's substitute this 1000 over here. Yeah, from the total profit that we've made. All right, the total profit minus 1000 rupees, right? So yeah, 11,647.50 minus 1004 rupees 0.69, which gives me 10,600, 10.6k, right? So now we have to calculate the percentage. Percentage is nothing but the net profit divided by the capital into 100, right? So here, all right. Oh, here we have already, guys. See, 10.6k, 10,642.81 divided by 38,000, which is the capital which I have used for trading today. This gives us, yeah, 0.2788, so on. So into 100 equals to, it's 27.88%, guys. The ROI is 27.88% today on today's trade. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I'll be regular with all my trading videos with real money from January of next year, but maybe I may release few videos now also, but I'll be regular from next year, guys. So guys, yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Signing off. Bye bye. See you in the next video, guys.